In early action, GIFT Nifty is seen consolidating. Our call of the day suggests that rising bets for a more aggressive policy easing by the Federal Reserve is likely to keep bears at bay. That brings us to our call of the day suggests Nifty's bullish traders are likely to be in a wait-and-see mode ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision on 17 September. The ongoing bullish theme could get choppy only if the Federal Reserve cuts interest rate cuts at 25 bps as expected. But that said, Nifty could jump out of the gate if Fed cheers investors with a 50 bps rate cut. The Gyan Mantra, stay bullish. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 308 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1519 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive bullish consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.27 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, spiked higher towards 88.29. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.08. Nifty outlook. Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail after Trump says China talks going well. Nifty, CMP to 5239. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,101 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,100 and 5400. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 82381. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,927 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,882 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,908 to 900. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 55148. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,700 and 55,900. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. It was nice to see Nifty rallying hard in yesterday's trade as optimism grew over India's trade talks and expectations of a US Federal Reserve rate cut. The bullish case would be if the Fed cuts rates by 50 basis points. Long story short, the running of bulls is likely to continue with aggressive intermonth targets at Nifty to 5670 mark, high as on 30th June. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Redington, 20%, was in the limelight as excitement was built ahead of Apple's iPhone 17 launch. Pre-orders for the device are already underway, with official sales slated to begin on 19 September 2025. The rally reflects Redington's pivotal role in Apple's supply chain, handling logistics, warehousing, and distribution of iPhones and other tech products across India, the Middle East, Turkey, Africa, and South Asia. 2. Larsen & Toubro, LANT, gained 2.28% after the company's heavy civil infrastructure, HCI, business vertical received a significant order from Nuclear Power Corporation of India, NPCIL, for nuclear power project in Tamil Nadu. 3. Satrix Information Security soared 5% after the company announced that its U.S. joint venture, World Tech Nexus LLC, has received business registration. Headquartered in Irvine, California, the venture will focus on IT and cybersecurity solutions, including managed services, compliance, and enterprise digital transformation for U.S. and global clients. It is co-founded by Satrix, World Tech HPT Ltd, and Ali Yavri. 4. John Cockerell India was star outperformer on reports that the firm has secured an Rs 80 crore order from Tata Steel for the engineering, design, manufacture, and supply of a push-pull pickling line and acid regeneration plant at its Jamshedpur tinplate division. 5. JSW Infrastructure advanced 3.59% after the company announced that JSW Kolkata Container Terminal has entered into a concession agreement with the Port Authority of Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port Authority, Kolkata, for a period of 30 years. 6. ISMO hit an upper limit of 5% after its division, and ISMOMicro announced a breakthrough in high-performance motor control technology aimed at industrial automation, electric vehicles, and next-generation energy applications.